Where is my wallet?
What happened?
I left it on the kitchen table this morning.
Are you sure?
Yes, I remember putting it there.
Did you check your bedroom?
I checked everywhere.
What was inside it?
My cash, bank cards, and ID.
Oh no, that is serious.
I know, I am really worried.
When did you notice it was missing?
About 10 minutes ago.
Did anyone visit the house today?
Only the repairman came this afternoon.
Maybe you moved the wallet without remembering.
I don't think so.
Let's search the house one more time.
Okay, but I already looked everywhere.
Wait a minute. What is that under the sofa?
Where?
Right there. I can see something black.
Oh my goodness, that's my wallet.
How did it get there?
It must have fallen when I sat down earlier.
Well, mystery solved.
I was starting to panic.
Next time, check under the sofa first.
Trust me, I definitely will.
At least everything is still inside.
Yes, what a relief.